Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Install Visual Studio with SSDT and the Integration Services extension so you have the project templates and runtime components. Once done, open Visual Studio and use File New Project, choose Integration Services Project, name it, and select a solution location. You do this first so package scaffolding and Ssis-specific designers are available. Make sure your SQL Server client tools match the server version. This avoids package compatibility issues later. Add a package and start in control flow to orchestrate tasks, then open data flow to move data. Configure connection managers for source and destination. Choose OLEDB for SQL Server or Ado, NET for other providers, because correct connections prevent runtime failures. Drag a source, add transformations like lookup or derived column, and wire to destination. Once components are connected, run validate to catch metadata mismatches and adjust column mappings so the package can execute predictably. Build the project and create an ISPAC for deployment. Deploy to the Ssis catalog or file system depending on your environment. You can run the package from SSMS or schedule with SQL Agent, monitor the execution and review built-in logging. If something goes wrong, enable detailed logging, open the catalog's executions and package execution reports, and inspect error messages and inner exceptions. Make sure connection strings, credentials, and permissions are correct. Often fixes are missing credentials or mismatched metadata.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.